Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q8 S-line 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic, available now in this stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork. This being the 55 TFSI, you get a 3-litre V6 turbo petrol engine producing 335 brake horsepower. You can also expect to see around 26.6 miles per gallon combined. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners you'll find the 21-inch 5V spoke design alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. On the rear we have the fabulous LED tail lights with the LED light bar and the electrically operated boot lid. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in full black Valcona leather with contrasting stitching for maximum luxury, with centre armrests and dual cup holders, as well as rear air vents and two 12-volt sockets so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather S-line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. And if you have 2 drivers, you have memory function on the driver's seat so you can have 2 preset seating positions. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right your volume and voice controls and mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control you have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and this vehicle does come with adaptive air suspension which will raise and lower itself with ease. You also get the 360-degree camera system so you can see your car from every angle, knowing full well that in any type supermarket car park you'll never hit anything. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi Q8 S-line 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic, available in Daytona grey at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, queries or want to come and take a look at the vehicle, simply come on down to the showroom or give a call to the dealership and speak to a member of our friendly sales team.